that you were selling me. With a munu, I felt I should tell you this.
So we're back with another reaction video. It's your boy Casey and I'm here with
sir, it's your boy Alkezano.
You already know.
I'm back.
Yes sir, he's back and he's back.
Back with another banger.
Yes sir, you already know. So yeah, he's back. When some of you were asking why react a week, so I mean know with any man. But it's very interesting, man. Okay, so we're back in another reaction video. So today we're reacting to Kae Chaps Juzi lockdown session. So I know some of you are watching what I react to this item, you know, but then when I comment section with face in Tanzania and I got bring your heart.
That's on the 2020 Tanzania whole 2021 na Kae Chaps.
But unazoto wale wacho ke
level yacho ni iri kupiwa Kae Chaps here. Like Kae Chaps nozatambura.
I still remember it.
It sounds so familiar. Where did you listen to the song?
But
you know, like by Hito Trash.
Alba Hito Trash it? Exactly, yeah.
My name of video, I think it was Mawanga.
This is a hit. Yes, I can do.
So I'm expecting big things, you know.
You already know. In fact, please go and check it out, the Hito Trash.
It's gonna be right
there. Yeah, you already know. So without further ado, let's get straight to it, right?
Let's go.
Timunzoti only or Kae Chaps, but only
but no, he's not a hip-hop artist, guys. You can't compare. No, in the city 2010 kuna as in my upcoming.
Yeah.
Not comparing. Msazo kile ma conversation moti amuru compare my artist.
Baba na hanga ku compare.
Ayo nye compare my artist ayo.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
I like that beat. I like Do you know what it reminds me of? The Weekend.
Oh.
It was right there.
Similar to this beat?
No, yeah, it's almost similar. Din. Never mind. Let's just go back to this.
Okay.
But when that's right, Anzi, she sure him on Eve.
Yeah. We have to use that one, right? That's deep, eh?
Oh.
Okay.
Zoka utore juzi rako rawakakanganwa ndikaritarira ndoshaya rugare utore nhumbi dzako dzawakasiya mumba mangu iwe ndikadzitarira ndoshaya rugare.
Ayo adzoka utore juzi rako
rawakasiya
badeni. So sure this is over.
Yeah, this is a breakup song. I was going on a facial expression. It's so go to the juicy rock. To go to the juicy rock. I got some.
Walk to the attention I gave you the shit. I'm broke from all the dreams that you were selling me. With a munu, I felt I should.
I'm broke from all the dreams you're selling.
Answer mboke munu.
That you were selling me. With a munu, I felt I should tell you this.
Aya wakatsamwa. Azuri mpoko emunhu.
Akatsamwa.
Guys, I want to know more now. Munhu akabreka this guy at. Angachunge.
Zona level yaoita kuimbirwa kuti
uri mpoko emunhu. Uri mpoko.
Inondra juice la kusha.
This is too much. I mean, that's deep.
But I like how he's putting it in there.
Yeah,
I really like the passion in the song.
Yeah,
passion. That's what it is.
Nigga, come, cut that. You know. Okay, let's go.
Panangwe zvazo hatizi my enemies. Zvakare ndezvakare ngatingozvisiyei. Zverudo zvacho taimbozvitirei. Kodai wakandiudza kuti haudi waibvei. Now chandokumbira kuti utore juzi rako rawakakanganwa. Ndikaritarira ndoshaya rugare. Utore nhumbi dzako dzawakasiya mumba mangu. Ndikadzitarira ndoshaya rugare. Utore juzi rako rawakakanganwa. Ndikaritarira ndoshaya rugare. Utore nhumbi dzako dzawakasiya mumba mangu. Ndikadzitarira. Zvichimboitirwei, zverudo zvacho taizviitirei. Zvichimboitirwei, zverudo zvacho dzoka utore juzi rako rawakakanganwa. Ndikaritarira ndoshaya rugare. Utore nhumbi dzako dzawakasiya mumba mangu. Iwe ndikadzitarira ndoshaya rugare. Utore juzi.
Yeah, he's saying dzokotore juice, right? Anotaura kuti bhebi rikasadzoka unotora masina aro. Afutozongopisa masina acho mufesi.
Ndoiripo. Ndoiripo hapana zvoita.
That's David.
Kanganwa. Ndikaritarira ndoshaya rugare. Utore nhumbi dzako dzawakasiya mumba mangu. Iwe ndikadzitarira ndoshaya rugare.
Okay.
I have to say I like the production.
Yeah, I really like it.
I like the production. I said it last time. I said it by Ito Trash. Kuti. I like the production. I like the way you can hear Kuti. Yeah, this is not some amateur song.
Yeah.
He put focus into it.
Production, yeah. Get it.
And the beat, that's how the beat and the passion. For me, it's the passion. It's the passion for me, guys.
Yeah, you should keep what
another release a full Valentine's with Muzi.
Mawan.
Yeah.
Rambo. Break your heart before Valentine's.
And shout out to Kae Chaps.
Yeah, shout out. Just keep what you're doing, man, because this is dope. I think this year if I'm in Dag. Yeah. This year in Dag. Because it seems like this song is now in.
I feel like a lot of people are gonna come out this year.
Yeah, we're just waiting for some bangers, maybe beat up. So yeah, I think shout out to Kae Chaps. Shout out. I think that's it for the video. Yeah, but it's deep, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna break a team. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, share, and subscribe. You already know. Comment down below. Subscribe to the boy.
Don't forget to go subscribe to my channel, guys.
Yes, the link will be in the description.
Make sure you go into the description
and click the link
and subscribe to my channel.
You already know. Just subscribe.
Yo.
That's it. It's your boy Casey and
okay, I know.
Yes, sir.